What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're transforming Huggy Wuggy into a Wubbox from My Singing Monsters. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page at the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start over on the left. Let's curve this down in the middle and then bend that back up towards the right. Now you want to round out the ends, going around and then straight down. Let's round out the bottom corners, coming in. I'm just going to curve the mouth on the bottom, coming down, and then round out the bottom right. Let's trace the mouth along the inside. We'll start with a top curve, going across. Let's round out the ends, pulling that in, and then we'll curve the bottom. Now I'm going to add some fangs along the inside. Let's start in the middle with a V, coming down towards the bottom, and then back up. Now you want to leave a gap, go up, and then down on both sides. Let's add one more fang coming down on either side. Now we're going to fill the inside of the mouth in black, going in between the teeth. Now, along the top of the mouth, we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start on the left, going all the way around, up towards the top, and then back down. Let's go all the way over towards the right and draw that same size circle. Now I'm going to draw a slightly smaller circle pushed towards the outside of the eyes. Let's start on the left, coming down, just leaving a gap along the inside, go back up towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add a small circle in the center of each eye. And then we'll go and fill the outside of the eyes in black. Let's go in between the eyes and draw a straight line going across. Now we're going to add some stitches. Start from the top, coming down and in towards the mouth, and add two stitch lines in the center. Now we're going to line this up over towards the outside of the eyes. We're going to curve this out and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're just going to work our way back in towards the mouth, but we're going to add a couple points. Coming down. Let's add a small point going up, come all the way around, and then in towards the side of the mouth. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming around and down. Let's add a small point. Just pull that in towards the side. Now we're going to draw a large circle for the body tucked in underneath the mouth. Let's start over on the left. And go all the way around toward the bottom and back up on the right side. Let's add in the bow. Starting from the middle, start with the left side, coming around, and then back up underneath the mouth. Do the same thing on the right. Let's trace the bow along the inside. Let's add the bottom of the ribbon, and it's out towards the left and right. Flatten off the end, and then bend this back up underneath. Now we're going to draw a smaller circle in the center of the body going in behind the bow. So we'll start from the bottom, going all the way around, and then back up. Now we're going to extend the arms going out towards the side. Let's start from the side of the body, then it's up, and then out. Now we'll line that up on the right side. Now we're going to layer the forearms on top. From the left side, we're going to step all the way up just underneath the mouth, then it's out, and then down. Let's round out the bottom and pull that up. Now we're going to do the same thing over on the right. So we're going to step up, then it's out, and then down, and round out the bottom of the arm. Now I want to taper the forearm going up towards the elbow. So we're going to go up, bend that into right about there. I'm just going to add some points of fur. Going down and in, then it's up, and then in towards the top. Let's trace that same curve along the bottom. So we're going to step down, then it's in, and then down. Now we're going to tuck the fingers in underneath the arm. Let's start from the inside with the thumb, then it's in and then down. Round out the thumb, go up, and then just taper that back out. Let's line this up on the right side. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom, come down and in, round up the finger, and just taper that back up. Just leave a gap and draw another one, going around toward the bottom, and then back in. Let's add one more on the outside. And now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a gap in the center. Let's move over towards the left, bend the leg going out and then down towards the knee. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now I want to add a circle going around the knee. So we're going to go all the way around and then back up. Let's draw that same curve on the outside, going up and then in. Now from the inside of the knee, bend the leg coming in and then down towards the bottom of the foot. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to come down and then bend that up. Let's go back to the left side, curl the foot. We're going to go up and then bend that down towards the heel. Let's separate the toes with a curve on either side. And now I'm going to close off the outside of the leg, starting from the knee, going out and then down. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a custom creation of Huggy Wuggy as Wubbox. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.